Welcome guys! And today I'm going to show you how you can fly and control hot air balloon in Rust. So right here it is fuel storage, so get some low-grade fuel and click on this button to start filling it up. So it will take around 10 seconds to fill it up, so be patient and wait. This vehicle is just slow and just to get around the map. So how you can control the hot air balloon? So if you are with your friend, you'll need to move uh, like in sync. So if I want to move right here next to the water, I need to move body to the right, and your friend should come to the right too. And let's say if I want to go to the left, your friend should go to the left and you are going to go to the left. And that's how you control hot air balloon. With this, you can gain altitude if you want to go up or down, or even if you want just to float and just go around the map. So don't waste all the fuel right here by leaving it turned on. Just control the hot air balloon. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, and we see you in the next one.